Hello everyone, this is Mike. So we're doing this small project today. I mentioned it's an automatic watering system. So here we have it's working with the BBC Microbit and soil moisture sensor. So we're trying to see, we're trying to read the moisture. So that's an analog device. So usually it goes between 0 and 1023-24. Here we can see the moisture is at like when we look at it, it's at like 698. So let's give it some time to stabilize. So 702 now, 708. So it's kind of stabilizing. So give it some time, couple of seconds. So what I'm trying to do, here I have a little bit of water. So I put the water in the plant that we have right here as the plant, and I see how it behaves. So that's the purpose of what we're doing here. So we had here at 720. So 720, 721. So that's more or less what we have. Alright, so it's more or less stabilized. 724, so let's say around 720, 730. That's what we have. So now I take the water here that we have here. I put the water here. So kind of moisturize the soil. And let's see how it behaves. So when we have water, like we are already at 424. I don't know if you can see. We're at 424. So that's what we have. 420 and 424. Let me put it in a more moisturized place. Oh, we already at 290. At 290. Alright, 340. So you understand, so when the soil is moisturized, so we're more approaching, we're decreasing, so it's decreasing. So we can set a threshold that we want, depending on that. So we understand also that when the soil is drier, so we're going more toward 900, 1,000, all depends on that. So and if it's wet, so it's going down. So like 500, 400, 300, 200. So that's how it is. So here is the plan. So the next video we're gonna make is it's gonna be about to have a automatic watering system. So here when it's gonna be dry, let's say I put a threshold of 900, something like that. So I want to activate a motor. I made a video on that before on activating the motor. You can take a look at it. You know, it's just with the same board that we have here, and it's working with a relay and a water pump. So it activated. So now the next step is to add this soil moisture sensor with the motor. So when we reach a threshold, you're gonna activate the water pump for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, it all depends. And from there, after that, stop and take another test of the soil moisture, maybe like 20 seconds after. And from there, we can more or less stop it and like test like every day, every seconds or something like that. So that's what it is. So I hope you appreciate the video. So I put also a schematic for you, so you can see how I wire all the different parts for the project. And if you like the project, give it a like and share, leave some comments below and share it with friends and family. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.